All right, guys, day 2 on the foam. We're gonna try to knock out both these layers today. We don't have a challenge with the P-stone, so we should be able to do it. And let's get right to it. All right, so we got 66 pipes to deal with, and it all comes back to this mechanical room here. So you see we got heat, we got cold water outside faucet, cold water kitchen sink, shower, and pot filler. We got a kitchen and shower, hot water 3/4, outside faucet, hot cold sink, hot or cold shower, hot cold toilet sink, 3/4, future, just in case these are just empty in case he ever wants to put something in here, because being this a concrete slab, you got one shot. So the plumber really used his head and said, hey, listen, let's put everything in there that you need, just in case you need something down the road, you have it, and you have a conduit you could chase through. So wood stove, hot cold toilet sink, shower, heat. Now that's just these pipes. Other pipes throughout here are going from room to room, probably electrical. He's got them taped up, so I really don't want to mess them up. We don't want water going down in there. But that just gives you an idea. This would probably be the bathroom and whatnot. But everything, like I said, goes from room to room. So he doesn't have to, this being a concrete slab, there's no basement. So he can't really run anything afterwards unless he goes in the attic. And I don't know how much room he has in there, what kind of truss system he has. It's probably not an attic like a conventional house. Being net zero, it might be tight and a lot of foam. So that's where we're at. We're getting the second layer in now. It's going pretty quickly. Yeah, we just have a blower to blow off the top. Regular blower, blow all them pebbles, all the dirt from yesterday, blow them into the center, blow them into another piece we have off there, and we're good to go. We'll keep you posted. All right, we're back. As if it's not hard enough for us to get 2 layers on today, we're crunching real time. We got to get it done because Monday we got to start that other foundation. Our heat knife said bye-bye. 8 hours of running. I had this taped, but guess what? No big deal, because we found a better way. The Sawzall is working real well. It cuts through like butter, and you'll see that in a bit. She's a shaker. Bada boom, bada bing. Sawzall works. All right, what we got? We got 32 3/8. Get her cut. What we got over there, boss?
Hold on, Mike. We got 32 1/4.
32 1/4, he says. All right, let's get a rip 32 1/4 here. 32 1/4. Run down on this end. 32 1/4. Let's grab our line. Whoop. And snap. Good to go on that one. Wind the line up. Bing, boom, bing, bada boom. Make sure you're not hitting the other piece of foam. And rip this boy. All right, that cut was quite ugly and slow. Well, let's see if this can fly. Look out! Hey! He thought he could catch. All right, Sawzall is working, skill saw is working. We're getting her. Miko's working. All right, guys, we're going to lunch. Quick clip, show you what we got. Miko's in the truck waiting. Here we are. We got the whole layer done. Ready to go to the third and final layer after lunch. It is hot up here, let me tell you. So, beautiful day though. Look at this. Look at this, huh? Beautiful. Some ice cold waters. Just after lunch, we have to put the layer of plastic on now, and then start doing our last piece. I think I need more sunblock. We got the plastic going in, coming in nice. We got these clips here. You know, we'll just push these right down in the foam. Holds the plastic. Why? Otherwise, it's gonna be parachute up with all this blowing. Miko's cutting it like this. We're just slitting it, putting a little X in it, and they drop right down in nice. See how they drop in? Perfect. Little slits. Drop right on in. What do you think, Meek?
I think this is awesome.
This is awesome. Nice shirt. Check out that. That's the old style shirts. One of my first ones. I gotta re-up on shirts.
Back in '86.
Yeah, we lost our shirt company, and I just haven't picked up another one yet. So this is where we're at. Putting plastic. Got us about halfway. We'll put the other half. And the homeowner was nice enough to go get us clear instead of the black what we used for the garage, because that would have been super hot and we wouldn't have been able to see the foam when we go to spray in there. So it will work out. Check back in a bit. We got over halfway down. It is hot. He got a little happy with that. You can see how that glare, it's just like having tin foil out like the old timers like this. There we go. Paulie Walnuts from The Sopranos. This is like him, you know, he's sitting here out in front of the meat market getting the suntan going. But yeah, we're over halfway. We got this set of pipes right here. We got that set of pipes. We need some black plastic there. That set of pipes. And then we shall wrap it up for the day. Geez, I've been looking for this piece this whole job. I finally found it. Here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Want to know why? It's the last piece. That was an old little saying my father used to say all the time. Brick work, block work, didn't matter. He'd say, this is the brick I've been looking for. And I go, what do you mean? And he'd put it in the wall and say, it's the last brick. So we are finished with the foam install. 3 layers, 2 layers. And we, like I said, we're gonna fill all this with foam. I'll actually grab a can right now to give you a sneak peek of that, because I don't know if I'm gonna do it or I'll have the homeowner do it over the weekend. Just shake this stuff up. All right, you get it shaken up and spray in. Simple as that. You don't want to go. Now this stuff expands, so you want to stay low, because if you get too much in here and then it's up in here, then we got to cut it out. So we'll see how that treats us. Let that expand and go from there. Look at the reveal on the foundation all the way around, all uniform and same height, all 4 inches for concrete. Nothing's less, nothing's more. They come out really well. I'm super stoked about that. The garage, 4 inches in the back, 6 inches in the front, because the garage floor has a 2-inch pitch. So, and then here's flat, and then it will pitch out the door on this side. All right, guys, at the end of the day, got it all in, hit our goal, which was questionable. So, because of the heat, I mean, it's hot, and it's just, it was a lot of foam to install and get everything perfect the way it is. Everything's in. The only thing that needs to be done is that foam on the pipes, which I will have the homeowner do over the weekend. He didn't have enough cans here to do it anyways. But again, we just got to cut some haunches in here and some piers for the footings for the bearing beams. Then the concrete, when we pour, will go down in, it will be thicker in spots. So basically 2 layers of foam will have to be cut out in the trough, and we'll just lift those out after we cut them with the skill saw or sawzall, and it will be good to go. He's going to throw radiant heat all in this, so we're going to be off site for probably a couple weeks by the time he does that. But we got a lot of work, so we got a foundation to pump in Monday. We'll mobilize equipment maybe over the weekend, not sure. But yeah, just it's a garage, big garage, you know, and we got to do a little bit of site prep before we could even start that. So look for that other video I got coming out that I got back, the lost footage on the hub repair on my triaxle. I will be getting that going this weekend. I'll publish that. So again, thanks, and we'll see you.